Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make tree support easier to remove in Orcaslicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So first, what we are going to do is turn on advanced mode. So what we need to do is look at the left panel. So the process panel right over here, right next to the word process. So right here, as you can see, you will see this global object, and then we have cycle settings visibility. So we have these simple settings, and then we have expert options. So let's put this toggle on expert settings. Now we have unlocked something that we can work on. So now what we need to do, stay on this left page right here, and what we are going to do is, if we click here on one of the objects, you will see that it's open up here this menu. Now what we need to do, find the support tab, and then scroll down a little bit, and you will see under the advanced, you will see this top Z distance. Now what to change? So you can increase this uh, value in small steps of 0.04. So if you use a standard 0.2 millimeter layer height, set this to 0.2 millimeter or 0.4 millimeters. So let's like that. If it's set low too low, the support will melt directly into your model. Now, what else we can do? We can also increase the XY distance. So these settings control the horizontal gap between the sides of your model and the tree support branches. It stops the support from hugging the walls of your print too tightly. So what you need to do is, again, stay on this support tab and just scroll down a little bit further where you will see support object XY distance. The sweet spot, you can change this to 0.6 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters. This gives the trees plenty of breathing room so they do not fuse to the vertical walls of your model. Now what else we can change is, also we can adjust the tree support wall counter, so the thickness of the tree trunks and branches determines how rigid they are. Thinner walls make the tree support flexible and very easy to crush and twist off. So where you will find that is in support under the advanced. You will see here, let me find it, support wall loops. So the sweet spot is basically one wall. So if you have any other number, you can change it to one. And yeah, this is basically it, how to do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.